महोदय
नमस्सर्वेभ्यः स्वागतं शुभमध्याह्नः पुनः पाठनस्य अनुवर्तनं क्रियते इदानीं द्वितीयपाठे चतुर्थभागे स्मः यत्र सुभाषितानि पाठितानि भवन्ति भगिनी प्रश्नः आसीत् वा
महोदय मॉर्निंग क्लास in the first sentences 11th sentence सैनिकः दण्डनायकात् बिभ्यत् प्रतिगतवान् is there. Should it be बिभ्यत् or बिभ्यन् प्रतिगतवान्? 11th sentence.
बिभ्यत्.
Why it is not for all others? क्रीडन्.
That is what we was the highlight of the class. No, we noticed that some of them have the takara. That's why I had highlighted in the red also.
It's like that. It is like that.
Why you and I did not create this language? It came evolved from certain practices, and what Panini and other Vyakaranakas have done is. Vyakaranis have done is to record what is.
Okay. It is like based on some ganas you said in the morning.
Yeah.
Okay. I thought Dandagayat, so Bibyat, it is like that, I thought. Yes, sir. I got
okay. No problem. Okay. So, Subhashitam. दानं भोगो नाशस्तिस्रो गतयो भवन्ति वित्तस्य यो न ददाति न भुङ्क्ते तस्य तृतीया गतिर्भवति दानं भोगः नाशः तिस्रः गतयः bhavanti vittasya. Amazing. You see how many visargas are actually converted to other forms by the Kavi. Okay, using the Sandhi Prayoga. So Dhanam remains as is. Still, you can say there is actually a Anunasika Anuswara Sandhi, because instead of Halanta Makara he uses the Anuswara Bindu because of the presence of the Bhakara. So Dhanam Bhogaha Utva Bhogaha Nashaha Nashas is Nashaha. Okay, we have recently seen when we studied Chutva Sandhi, Shtutva Sandhi, this Sakaranta forms appearing in the place of Visarga. Okay, actually the Visarga is not already part of the letter set of dhatus and pratyayas. It gets generated out of that halanta sakara using a prakriya. Okay, so that's what we are seeing here. Tisraha, again okara is due to utva of the visarga. Tisraha. Okay, gatayaha, again utva. Okay, gatayaha. Bhavanti vittasya, no change there. So we saw visarga sandhi 1, a split here. Okay, where nashas is the split away and then nashaha is generated by reversing it. Okay, tisraha, etc. Yo, again yaha na dadati. See, dadati, dadataha, dadati. Remember, this is ekavachana form. Uttama purusha ekavachana lat lakara. Na bhunkte. Because the font doesn't support integrated thing, usually in most fonts you will see the halanta ng with the kte. Okay, so ng, k, t, e. So there are 3 vyanjanakshara and 1 a swarakshara there. Bhunkte, one single timing, bhunkte, like that. Okay, tasya tritiya gatihi bhavati. So visarga repa sandhi we call it. Gati, gatir. So like I had told again, nashas, like that, nashar, in other occasion, gatir. Sometimes sakara will be heard, sometimes repa will be heard. So gatir bhavati due to influence of the neighbor again. Gatihi bhavati. So almost every type of visarga sandhi is seen, maybe except lopa. Okay. So what is the meaning? Let us go now. We have done the vibhajana and understood word by word. Sandhi vibhajana we have done. So dhanam. So the thing that is giving. So the act of giving. Okay. Also can be called dhanam. Okay. So bhogaha. That means enjoying stuff. Enjoying things. Okay. Nashaha. Destruction. So either giving away or enjoying or destruction. Okay, Tisraha, the three Gatayah. Tisraha is in Strilinga because Gati Shabda is Strilinga Shabda. So Gatihi, Gati, Gatayah. So Tisraha Gatayah, three destinations, Bhavanti, they become Vittasya, of the money. Okay, dhanam bhogo nashastisro gatayo bhavanti vittasya. We understood the whole thing. Yo na dadati, yaha na dadati, yaha, that person, whichever person does not give, negation of the verb, na dadati, okay, na dadati, na bhunkte, does not enjoy. So this is bhogaha, bhunkte. They are all from the bhuj or some such dhatu. Okay, so bhunkte, one who does not enjoy or take take in the fruit of that money. Tasya, of that fellow. That means tasya vittasya, we have to read there. Okay, though it is yaha nadadati, tasya, it means tasya vittasya tritiyagatihi bhavati. But there is a very, very beautiful double application of tasya by the Kavi. So for that money, the third destination will ensue. That means it will get destroyed because it's not been given away, it's not been used. Then it is like sitting somewhere. Then it is wasted. Okay, gets destroyed. Okay, so but here there is a beautiful double meaning for tasya. Instead of taking tasya vittasya, if we don't borrow the vittasya again from there to the second sentence, if you just take tasya as the qualifier of yaha, okay, yaha nadadati tasya, of that fellow, then this is actually even better. One who does not give dana, one who does not make good use. So bhunkte doesn't mean use in a adharmic way. In a dharmic way, one, if he enjoys whatever is permitted under the rules of dharma, for that fellow, he will be destroyed. Tasya tritiya gatihi bhavati. So this is the shlesha we can take. Okay, we can apply the tasya to yaha also or to vittasya also. Okay, so it's a brilliant play which we have to notice. In Kavi Vakyas, these kind of things are noticed and tatparyas are taken. You will get actually an inner meaning. Sometimes it will be more insulting or more describing, etc. Okay. See, actually, that has been noticed here very nicely. See, in the translation, they have said a person who neither gives charity nor enjoys will lose his money. Actually, they haven't. Will actually get destroyed, is the reading that I was giving. Okay. I think Pratipadartha pretty much they have given entire sentence and the sentence translation. So it's not, it's slightly similar to just splitting those two sentences. So not much there, but you guys can be a little bit more descriptive as you wish. Okay. So fairly simple description they have given. With for Anvaya Krama, usually there is a separate section where Anvaya uses different verses and Anvaya happens. But be prepared, whether it is a Subhashitam or it's from the regular Anvaya section, we should be powerful enough to do this process. Okay, so there is a reasonable amount, but that Akanksha, Paddhati, all those things is not used here. Anvaya, Vakya and all. So it's fairly straightforward. Padavibhaga, Sandhi, they have not even tried to identify Sandhi. I was trying to tell you guys whenever we did it. It's obvious enough. Bhogo, Bhogaha, Visarga Sandhi, Nashaha, Visarga Sandhi, Tisraha, Visarga Sandhi. You can put it in bracket really, but you have to be able to identify later what type of Visarga Sandhi. There are 5 variants. Okay. 5 plus variants. So we have to be able to identify. There are, okay, we'll move on. I think we have, I think understood everything here. So we'll read it once more just to memorize it. Danam bhogo nashastisro gatayo bhavanti vittasya yo nadadati na bhunkte tasya tritiya gatir bhavati. You can do the yati version also. Danam bhogo nashastisro gatayo bhavanti vittasya yo nadadati na bhunkte tasya tritiya gatir bhavati. But if you do yati, sometimes you see this word travels beyond its sphere. So Danam, Bogo, Nashastisro, Gataya. The Gataya goes with it. So if you break here, it's not so nice sounding as the second half where actually the break is nice, but it's okay. You can read that way. Most people Subhashitam like this and all don't go into ragas. Typically Bhagavad Gita, such things go into nice tunes. So there is a need for yati to fit into the raga thing. So for these things we can read through. So we don't have to necessarily utilize the yati. Okay. Sometimes across the yati there will be a samasta pada. So unless you know very precisely to break it will actually maul the meaning. So we have to be careful also. So second Subhashitam. Any questions related to this Subhashitam? Okay, I think you would have already unmuted and asked me. Yeah, please, madam.
According to the exam point of view, if they ask about the Subhashitam, only this much if you give, that is enough, sir?
Yeah, generally, but if so happens they give this Subhashitam and then ask you to do the Anvaya, then better to do some Akanksha Padati. Okay? You prepare how it's not very easy. Okay? Bhavanti is the Kriya Pada. So put Bhavanti. Huh? Then you say Kaha Bhavanti. Kim kam ka ke kaha kam ke kaha, no? Gatayah fits into kaha. Okay? Gatayah bhavanti. Okay, actually ka ke kaha. So gatayah bhavanti. That is the karta of the bhavanti. So gatayah bhavanti. So so you have to ask kaha kaha bhavanti, gatayah bhavanti. Then you can ask kim bhavanti. Then you go danam इति भवति. तन्नैके पुनः किं भवति भोगः भवति पुनः किं भवति नाशः भवति. So because three are there, plurality happens to gatayah. So you can ask the question kim gatihi bhavati and extract one by one also. No, there is no need to say kaha gatayah bhavanti and answer all three together. You can say kim ka gatihi bhavati and say danam gatihi bhavati, kam gatihi bhavati. Sorry. So danam gatihi bhavati. Like that, one by one, you can extract the three.
Then kasya you should put for vitasya. No,
and then vitasya kasya. Correct. Very good. So very easy, straightforward. It's almost similar process for the second one. Okay. If you want, we can try those out sometime, but it's easy enough you try. It's not very difficult.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
व्यसनानन्तरं सौख्यं स्वल्पमप्यधिकं भवेत् काषाय रसमासाद्य स्वाद्वतीवाम्बु काषाय रसमासाद्य स्वाद्वतीवाम्बु विन्दते व्यसनानन्तरं सौख्यं स्वल्पमप्यधिकं भवेत् काषाय रसमासाद्य Swadvativambu vindate. Okay, so here slight reverse order. In usually Shubhashita, first they state some example and then they state the moral. Here the moral line comes first. Vyasananantaram saukhyam swalpamapi adhikam bhavet. Vyasana means some kind of difficulty, confrontational situation, misery, things like this. Okay, Vyasananantaram, after some kind of misery filled instance, Saukhyam, some kind of calmness, convenience, Sukha, so that we get with happiness. Saukhyam, Swalpam api, even a little bit, Swalpam api, Adhikam bhavet, will feel like a lot. It is like perhaps a lot. I mean, it feels like as if it is a lot, that sense. Okay. Then the second line is actually giving an example of such a thing. Kashaya rasam asadya. Kashaya rasam means the juice that is having the kashaya taste. Okay. Kashaya taste we say in Kannada, of course. So kashaya taste. So the kashaya taste is the astringent taste we get from some kind of Ayurvedic aushadha or amla. Amla is a typical example. When we bite into a nalikai, as we call in Kannada, or an amla, then you get that taste. Na? So that taste is a little tough in the beginning. You know, you will say, oh, what happened, like that. But then having tasted that kashaya rasa, asadya, and swadu ativambu vindate. Okay, so swadu ativambu, swadvati vambu, u plus a vakara invocation, so end sandhi. Okay, so swadvati vambu vindate. So the swadu, it's like at the taste. Okay, sometimes if you can use the word sweet also with that. Okay, ativa ambu, so swadvativa ambu, ambu water, ambu is a word for water, water tastes very sweet, ativa swadishtam vindate, it feels that way, it tastes that way, like that. Okay,
Vindate meaning vindate.
tastes that way.
Swatu is madurama.
Maduram. Yeah, you take that as ativa maduram vindate. Ambu ativa maduram vindate. Ambu ativa swadu vindate. Like that. Okay.
Asadya, asadya.
Asadya means having partaken, having taken, having drunk, having tasted. This feels.
Okay,
Huh?
asadya. Okay, thank you.
Sir,
Having obtained. Yes, yes, sir.
Sir, Saukyam you said means to feel pleasant, right?
Feel pleasant. The feeling of sukha.
A feeling of sukha. There's this sentence, I don't remember it whether it was in the previous class, not previous class, the previous maybe in the previous thing that we had studied. It was saying Ramah Sugriva Saukyam Bhavati.
Sakyam.
Abhavat.
Sakyam.
Sakyam.
Sakha, Sakyam, that is different. That is friendship.
Okay, I think so. I read it as Saukyam Abhavat. Okay.
No, Sakyam.
Sakyam Abhavat.
If you go back, check, it will be Sakyam.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
Mahodaya, asadya is not from asadya, no, not that.
No, not asadya. Asadya.
Asadya.
So, but anyway, look, there is no sandhi confusion. Kashaya rasam halantamakara, then a will emerge. So, there is actually only samyoga. There is no sandhi. Okay? So, it's asadya. Okay, I will mute because lot of noise is coming. Somebody is having heavy noise because he has a fan or she has a fan on nearby. Somebody else had a question. What was it?
Yes, sir. In Ganesh Sahasranama, the last name is Anantanant Saukshadaha. Anantanant Saukshadaha, Ganesh Sahasranama.
Saukya daha. That means he gives that happiness or convenience to all. Endless convenience to all. Ananta Saukya daha. Daha means the one who gives. Okay. So Ganesha is a giver of Ananta Saukya, like that. Good. Okay. So I think we got this verse pretty much. So we can see Vyasananantaram. So again, this is a samasta pada. That's why they have not split it. It is not Vyasana plus Anantaram. It is, but it is a samasasya ante sandhihi. Okay. We cannot just break away Vyasana like that. Okay. So Vyasanayaha Anantaram. Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa. So Vyasanayaha Anantaram. After a Vyasana. Okay. Saukyam, Swalpam, Api. See, when we split again, remember Halanta Makaras are used whenever there is a Anuswara Bindu. Anuswara Bindu in the Vakya is because of the Anuswara Sandhi. Here there is no Sandhi because it's independent word. So we revert back to Halanta Makaras, if you see. Okay. So don't get confused by that. We know what is happening. Anuswara Sandhi is there and there is no need for that because it's an independent word here. Okay. See, Asadya. Ativa Ambu. See, Ambu. It's just not Ambuhu or something. Just remember Ambu. Swadu. Just Ukaranta forms. Swadu is probably an avyaya. I have to look it up. But Ambu is definitely a declined word. Ambuna, all those things are heard. Okay, it's a normal Namapada. Okay. Ativa again is a kind of a qualifier.
Sir, I have a question. Kashaya Rasam, can't we split it into Kashaya Rasam? Two different words? Why is it kashaya?
No, rasam yasya swadishtam kashayam asti tat kashaya rasam. Kashaya is just a stem. It is not a vibhakti ending form. Okay. So kashaya hyphen rasam. Okay. You have to now find.
Kashayasya rasam. It can't
You
be.
can say kashayasya rasam, but it is slightly not applicable because kashaya is not like of the taste rasam. So typically we use that which has the taste. So rasam yasya something kashaya kashaya rasam. There are 4 different types and some order changes happening. So that much we have to carefully check what correct samasa will fit. Right now it is sufficing to say it's a samasa pada and we'll leave it as is. Okay. And how to find out? Because when we try to split, we see there is no vibhaktyanta. If there is no
Correct,
vibhaktyanta for the first part, then it is a samastapada. Okay.
So there is no vibhakti there. Okay.
No.
No. Okay, Mahadaya. Thank you so much.
That Vyasananantaram, he has put a sandhi. You said that there's no sandhi there, no, sir?
There is an internal sandhi.
Internal sandhi.
Internal sandhi. Vyasana yaha anantaram. Yaha has been elided due to samasa deletion of the pratama first vibhakti ending and putting the stem. So samasa padas are always stem plus pratyaya. Okay. The intermediate pratyaya, vibhakti pratyaya is removed. Okay. Let's read through. After going through miseries, even a small joy seems big. After tasting astringent flavor of medicines, gooseberry, etc., water tastes very sweet indeed. Indeed, I don't see any specific word there saying indeed. It's been added in the English. Tatparya, you are allowed the freedom to go beyond the literal.
Api Mahodaya. Api for indeed.
Swalpam api goes with the first part only, na? Even a little too,
also.
even a little too, like that. Even a little, even a little assumes the swalpam api completely. Okay. Anyway, you can potentially borrow the api. Yeah.
Sir, apiva means very sweet. So maybe that is the reason they have put very sweet.
No, indeed is all I was underlining. Because it's under Tatparya, it is not a literal translation, so you can add more color. That's what I was saying. Okay, indeed is not exactly there anywhere. Okay, he, indeed would be he, eva, or something like that. Since there is no eva or he, no, that's why I was pointing out. Okay.
Thank you, Mahodaya.
Vyasananantaram, after experiencing sorrow, Swalpam api saukyam, even a small joy. Oh, they have translated Swalpam as small rather than little. That's nice. Adhikam bhavet seems big. Okay. Just as this, there is again in bracket because yatha or something is not there in the sentence set. Okay. Yatha, but or eva, some ways eva or something will be there. Yatha or evam not being there, they have just put it under bracket. Just as kashaya rasam asadhya. So here they could have broken, but they have kept the sandhi here. After tasting astringent flavor, ambu ativa swadu vindate. Here they show the split. Okay, after one finds water very sweet. Actually, the water tastes very sweet. One finds is an extension little bit. Water tastes very sweet.
Sir, I also have a doubt, sir. Can I ask? This ativa, we can sandhi, we can do sandhi, no? Ati, then ev. Cannot, sir.
How? Please tell me what sandhi will make ati plus eva as ativa?
Simply, I thought that
no, you can't. You can't invent new sandhis. That will become a vruddhi. So that would have had another form, atyeva, like that. Ativa is a natural complete word. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
No problem. Good. You see, these kind of ati eva.
I was thinking of ati and eva.
Possibly. Ati eva.
Because we say ati sundar, that comes in Sanskritam also, no?
Perhaps,
ati or
perhaps the genesis of ativa is from ati plus eva. Perhaps.
So then that eva also comes in the picture.
Correct.
Of
Then there is
just
a
as
simple
also.
Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. Yeah, correct.
Yes, yes.
Okay, good guys. I mean, every time, no, the questions are good because that will give us the opportunity to see, am I thinking right? So when Bhagini brought that question up, she is trying to go behind, is there a Vyutpati like that? Then suddenly she realizes, oh, it's not fitting into the Sandhi template that I know of. So if it has to fit, then, my Vyutpati has to follow the trait of Sandhis and all that. Okay, very good. So let's come to this Kavya Katha. So as usual, someone will.
Can I read? Can I read, sir?
Sir, can I read?
Today I will give some gentlemen. Is there some
Sir, can I
gentleman?
read?
Who is the gentleman? Srinath?
Yes, sir.
You get the choice, sir. So Srinath ji, please slowly read. You know the process. We will stop every sentence to try and get the meaning. Yeah.
Fine, sir. Kavya Katha Mantralochanam.
Mantralochanam means alochanam, as you know, is thinking. Okay, some kind of discussion, etc. Then mantralochanam means thinking of the strategy. Okay, that's why a mantri is a mantri, because he is a mantralochaka. Okay, so mantra always doesn't mean some Ramaha tatha asti sundara asti. No. Mantra also means some kind of strategic thought process also is a mantra. So mantra alochanam. Continue, sir.
Yada Narad Munihi Dwarka Nagarat Nivritvan Tadaiva Indraprastha Nagarat Yudhishthira Anyam Sandesham Sri Krishnaya Preshitavan.
Very good. Yada, when Narada Muni, the Muni Shrestha with the name Narada, Dwaraka Nagarat, from the town of Dwaraka, see how? From the town of Dwaraka, in English it almost reverses the order. Nivrittavan, he left. So, we saw there was this earlier segment where we read about what happened when Narada Muni came and all that. So this is continuation. So when Narada Muni left Dwaraka Nagara, okay, Tadaiva, Tada Eva, Tadaiva, Vriddhi Sandhi. Tada Eva, Tadaiva. What Sanskrit Bharati has done, they have put annotations like this and given that explanation. They have not put in brackets Vriddhi Sandhi. That much we know now. A plus A, I, Vriddhi Sandhi. That much we know. So they didn't overdo it. But actually, without even that, we should be able to do these things, because in Parichaya level, we have studied all the sandhis, swara sandhis. So, tada eva Indraprastha Nagarat, from the town of Indraprastha. Indraprastha iti namaka Nagarat. That is the full vigraha. Yudhishthiraha, the fellow with the name Yudhishthira, we know is a Dharmaraja. Anyam Sandesham, another message, as a karma pada. Sri Krishnaya, for the sake of Sri Krishna. Okay, see, ayas is better as for the sake of, almost, for the sake of Sri Krishna. But in simple English, to Sri Krishna, Preshitavan, he had sent. Preshitavan asit. Okay, so that is the thing that we have to infer. So Yudhishthirah preshitavan. Kim preshitavan? Sandesham preshitavan. Kidrisham sandesham, anyam sandesham. Of course, it's not much of a qualifier for sandesha, but that's okay. That's how we have to extract. Kasmai Sri Krishnaya, like that. Okay, one by one we have to go. You cannot say kaya. Okay, kasmai. You have to see how Kahakauke runs and do it. Okay, kada, tada. Tada eva, include eva in tada eva, like that. Okay, kutaha Indraprastha Nagarat, like that. From Indraprastha
also, no? Kasmat.
Kutaha or Kasmat, correct. Kutaha, Kutra are easy options. Katha, Kimartam, they are all easier options. Okay, anyway, continue, sir.
Yudhishthiraha Rajasuya Yagam Kartum Sankalpam Krutvan Asit.
So this Yudhishthira, Rajasuya Yagam Kartum, to do the Rajasuya Yaga by the name Rajasuya. Yeah? Rajasuya iti yagah, Rajasuya yagah, tam Rajasuya yagam. You will learn this prakriya in Kovida. Huh? It's beautiful. Kartum, to do, tumun. Sankalpam, resolve. He had taken the resolution. So resolve, kritavan asit, he had done. Okay, so it means he had resolved. Sankalpitavan, that's also enough there. But here asit has been added. The thing has been added. Read sir.
यागस्य मध्ये विघ्नो भवति इति धर्मराजः भीतः आसीत्.
So Dharmaraja bhitah asit, he was afraid. Kimartam yagasya madhye vignaha bhavati. In the middle of the yaga there will be some kind of a barrier or stoppage, something like that. Continues. Obstacles.
अतः सः कृष्णम् आहूतवान्.
Shri Krishnam. Ataha, therefore, he, that is Yudhishthira, Shri Krishnam ahutavan. He had invited Shri Krishna. Now you see what this, how it has been written. Sandesham preshitavan iti uktam asit, parantu tadanantaram vakyeshu sandeshe kimasti ityeva vivaranam dattam asti. There is no extra sentence saying sandeshaha evam asit hyphen and then all this. You have to infer that. एतदेव संदेशे अपि लिखितम् आसीत् इति अस्माभिः ज्ञातव्यम्. This is the style of writing. You know that. Continue, sir.
श्रीकृष्णः चिन्तितवान् एकत्र देवकार्यम् अन्यत्र बन्धुकार्यं किं करोमि इति सन्देहः उत्पन्नः.
Very good. So let's pause there. So I think I didn't translate. Ataha, therefore, saha Shri Krishnam, he, Shri Krishna as an object, ahutavan, invited. Okay. Shri Krishna chintitavan. Shri Krishna thought. Ekatra devakaryam. So when chintitavan comes, that is his mental. Okay. He's not expressing this outward, but this is mental thought train. Ekatra devakaryam. At one place the work of gods. Anyatra bandhukaryam. At another place the work of relative. Yudhishthira is a relative. Right? So through marriage, etc., you know, they are all interlinked. So marriage within the families. So another place there is bandhukarya. In one place there is devakarya. What is devakarya? What Narada message he brought from Vishnu, right? Shishupalasya. This is whole thing is Shishupala Vadham, if you remember. So that karya. Okay, and here there is this request from Yudhishthira to come and help him for Yaga Rakshana. Okay. All right. So Kim karomi iti sandeha utpanna. Sandeha utpanna. Okay, there is a visarga there, lupta visarga. D, if you see, na, here somewhere it should be there.
Sandeha pullinga.
Here, D, A, B, C, D. So, sandeha utpanna.
It's a pullingam, sir.
Yes. Sandeha is pullingam.
Sandeham. It is not sandeham.
Madam, Tamil வந்து எல்லா நபும்சகலிங்கம் பண்ணிடுறோம் நாங்களா, அது இல்ல. அதெல்லாம் ஸ்திரீலிங்கம் புல்லிங்கம் எல்லாம் பார்த்து சொல்லணும். You have to tell by observing what is the original linga. Okay. For us everything is ammam.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So kim karomi iti, what I will do, that much is quote actually. Kim karomi iti, so sandeha utpannaha, doubt came up. Utpannaha means generated in his mind. Continue, sir.
समस्यां परिहर्तुं सः मन्त्रालोचनं कर्तुं निश्चितवान्.
So actually there is a single quote opened. Okay. This single quote that is opened should close at karomi technically. See, ekatra devakaryam annatra bandhukaryam kim karomi, quote end, iti sandeha utpannaha. Okay. So little bit not such a lovely construction, because once they said chintitavan, this kind of ending doesn't go with there, but it's okay, we'll take it. So then here actual, now back to live action of Krishna. Samasyam parihartum, to solve the problem. Pariharana is to solve. So to solve the problem, in order to tumun. Saha, that is Sri Krishna. Mantralochanam, that's what is the title. So getting together with his seniors and thinking about it. Kartum, to do, again another tumun. Nischitavan, he determined. Continue, sir.
ज्ञानवृद्धः उद्धवः अग्रजो बलरामश्च आगतवन्तौ.
So his two mantris are his own elder brother Balarama and Uddhava, who is a proper advisor to him. So Jnanavruddha Uddhavaha Agrajaha Balaramascha. See, Shchutva. Balaramas plus cha Shchutva. Opportunity to see it in action. Agatavantau Dvivachana. They both came.
त्रयो मिलित्वा मन्त्रालोचनम् अकुर्वन्.
Well done. So Trayo is with Visarga Lopa. Trayaha, actually, sorry, it's not Visarga Lopa, it is Visarga Utva. Trayaha militva. So Te Trayaha. Ke Trayaha, Sri Krishna, Uddhavaha, Balaramaha. Jnanavruddha iti Uddhavasya Gunaganam. अथवा विशेषणम. तो ज्ञानवृद्धः, ज्ञाने सह वृद्धः इति ज्ञानवृद्धः उद्धवस्य गुणगानं तत् विशेषणरूपेण स्थापितमस्ति. तदनन्तरं बलरामस्य विशेषणम् अस्ति अग्रजः इति. श्रीकृष्णस्य अग्रजः सः इत्युक्त्वा अग्रजः इत्यपि विशेषणं दत्तमस्ति तत्र. अत्र त्रयः मिलित्वा, ते त्रयः मिलित्वा, having met, मन्त्रालोचनम् अकुर्वन्. They did the planning. Okay, akurvan. See, again back to lang form. Okay, kritavantaha could have been used in the style of other things, but Sanskrit Bharati is trying to use different forms to make us learn different forms. So some places kridanta, some places tingantas they have used. Okay. So sometimes kta, sometimes stavatu, sometimes lang, sometimes lat. They try to spin it around so that we start learning these forms. Okay, continue, sir.
Shri Krishna नारद महर्षिः देवेन्द्रस्य सन्देशं गृहीत्वा आगतवान्.
So Sri Krishna's quotes, again, actually this is just, it is putting hyphen there. You will see at the end of the double quote, wherever that ends. Oh my God, it's pretty big. No. Okay. Double quote ends here only. So all this is quote of what Sri Krishna. So the sentence actually, we should take this out first. Shri Krishna blah 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 iti uktavan. I am just using blah technique from English. Okay, so there is actually a technique in Sanskritam. Kimapi, something like that. Okay, Shri Krishna kimapi iti uktavan. Okay, something he said so, like that. So that one, and then this entire thing is quoted under the iti as split sentences. Okay, so Narada Maharshi, so another, earlier it was Narada Munihi, now is Maharshi. Nice. Okay, so Devendrasya, of Devendra, Sandesham, the message, Grihitva, having carried, Agatavan, he came. Okay, he is reciting what happened in the previous incidents to these two fellas. Not okay. Continue, sir.
दुष्टशिशुपालस्य वधः करणीयः इति सूचितवान्.
He indicated that the killing of the bad Shishupala should be done. Okay, Shishupalasya vadah karaniyah iti suchitavan. Dushtaha Shishupalaha ta dushta Shishupalasya iti samaste sthapitam asti. Shishupalaha yaha dushtaha api saha dushta Shishupalaha. Suchitavan indicated. Continue, sir.
Yudhishthiro yagaya mam ahutvan.
On the other side, Yudhishthiraha yagaya, for the sake of yaga, me as the object, ahutavan, he invited.
Tasya vighna bhayam asit.
Oh, he is invited because he has some fear of vigna bhayam asti. Vignat bhayam asti tasya.
Evam karyadvayam sampraptam.
So like this, evam is like this. Ipdi types. Hige. Easy taraf. Karyadvayam, two works. So this one is a very standard technique in Samskrita Bharati. Otherwise, you have to say dvau, karyau. You have to notice whether it is pullinga, strilinga. This dvayam, trayam technique simplifies a little bit for us at this level. Okay, karya dvayam becomes singular again, and so a couple of work. So couple of works is one unit for us. So karya dvayam sampraptam. It has become generated for me. It has become obtained for me, like that. Okay, continues.
धर्मराजस्य अनुजाः वीरः शूराश्च.
Dharmarajasya, of Dharmaraja, that is Yudhishthira, Anujaha, Arjuna, etc., Bhimarjunaha, Bhimarjuna, Nakula, Sahadevaha, Anujaha, Veeraha, Shuraha cha, they are valor filled and different types of qualities. Veerya is ability to fight and vigor and all that. Shura is Shaurya, that means that valor, etc. Similar ones. Okay. So they are capable guys. Continue.
तस्मात् धर्मराजः तेषां साहाय्येन यागं करोति.
Therefore, I have no doubt, in the sense of no doubt, therefore, Dharmaraja, the Dharmaraja, Tesham Sahayyena, of their with help, So with their help, Yagam Karoti, he will do the Yaga.
शिशुपालस्तु दुष्टो दिने दिने वर्धते.
शिशुपालः तु शिशुपालस्तु, so sakara of visarga. So शिशुपालः तु, शिशुपाला तो हिंदी में जो तो बोलते हैं उसको तु संस्कृत में. शिशुपालनो तमिल चल रहा हूँ अपनी. ओके, दुष्टः, very bad fella, dine dine vardhate. So this not only he is dushta, he is increasing day by day. Okay, actually it's a little very Shishupalasya dushtatvam dine dine vardhate would have been a little more precise here in my opinion, but I don't want to question this. Shishupalaha tu dushtaha tasya drashtyam or something like that, dine dine vardhate, something like that. We can take it in split. Okay, or Shishupalaha vardhate also can be taken. Dushtaha Shishupalaha dine dine vardhate also can be taken. Okay, no problem.
नीतिकाराः वदन्ति व्याधिः वर्धमानः शत्रुः च नोपेक्षणीयो इति.
Beautiful niti, right? Nitikaraha vadanti, those who code the nitis like Chanakya, etc. Of course, Chanakya is a post facto figure. So Nitikaras of that day also, they say Vyadhihi. Vyadhi means some kind of affliction of the body and other things. Okay, some disease, can be disease of the body, disease of the mind, disease of the whole society. Vyadhihi vardhamanaha shatruhu cha. So a disease or an enemy whose power is increasing, both of them na upekshaniyo. So they are not to be ignored. Okay, so say nitikaras. Okay, upekshana is to ignore. Okay, to not consider. So here it's asking they have to be carefully analyzed, considered, and affronted so that they are destroyed. Continue, sir.
Ayam mamabhiprayah.
This is my opinion. See, Krishna, when he calls the Troika meeting, he is first stating his, very nicely he is putting it. Okay, saying, I am favoring that, I will go and take care of Shishupala. I don't think Dharmaraja really needs me, like this. Okay, so that's what he is saying. And then he will go to ask the other two what their opinion is. Okay, and one thing, key things you have to remember, sometimes in this whole story we forget some keywords. So one of the thing is to maybe highlight in your book with that highlighting pen, Rajasuya Yagam. Remember keywords like Rajasuya Yaga, Indraprastha. So some context and those things. Other things, you know, you don't have doubt about Balarama's name or Krishna's name or Uddhava's name. But Jnanavriddha, something new, so highlight and keep. So do this critical highlighting. Okay. So then usually questions will relate to such highlights. Okay, so that's why I'm asking you to remember such highlights. Usually some people have a technique of remembering stories. They just write some keyword in a chain I don't know the technique name. So they write these keywords in a chain, and one look at that small chart of names, you will get the whole story, bang, like that. You don't really need to read it again. So that kind of technique also could be practiced by you. Some kind of a flowchart type of story writing. Okay, so ayam mama abhiprayah. Ayam is a different shabda than this. Okay, etat mama abhiprayah athwa eshah mama abhiprayah, something like that could have been. So this others is another type of paryaya for etat shabda. Okay, artat shabda. Okay, instead of tat shabda, which has this tat te tani etat ete tani, and then eshaha and then saha, all those variants. Okay, that sarvanama shabda has a corollary in the adas shabda. Normally in the Sanskrit Bharati Paddhati, we are more familiar with saha taute, sate taha, tat te tani variants and all that etat versions of those. Okay. But there is another which is adas shabda, and it has a few forms that actually have more difficult declensions. Why Sanskrit Bharati just focuses us on the tat shabda is it's easier of the two. Okay, so they are trying to get us into Sanskritam using that, but it will be nice to practice the adas shabda table when you get the chance. Look it up and practice it. So ayam is this fella. Okay,
sir, this is
this
idam
thing,
shabda,
this
sir.
thing.
Idam shabda, sir.
The word is called adas.
Ayam imo is idam, sir. Adas is asau.
Oh, okay. Idam and adas, two different ways.
Yes,
little in the sense of that and this little variant.
That and this.
Okay.
Ayam
like
is
tat,
this.
tat variant.
Yes.
Okay.
Ayam is this.
Somehow in my
this,
brain it is all stuck as others class. Okay. Good. So continue.
Iyam is for Pullinga. Iyam is for Strilinga, is it, sir?
There is a iyam, then iyam again comes for napumsaka. It is a weird word. Okay, it has to be learned carefully. Continue. Continue, sir. Let us finish off.
Atra yukta yuktam vicharya kathayantu iti uktvan.
Atra, in this case, so in this matter, so atra here necessarily doesn't mean location, so we have to read it in the context as in this matter. Okay, yukta yuktam, what is correct and what is not correct. So yukta ayukta together has made yukta yukta savarna dirgha sandhi. So again it's a samas actually, yuktam cha ayuktam cha yukta yuktam iti. Okay, it's called dvandva. Actually, it is not exactly Dvanda because it's come back to Ekavachana. Okay, we're not worry about what variant of Samasa it is, but it is two parts, Yukta and Ayukta. Okay, Vicharya, having inquired, okay, Lyap, because of the Upasarga. Kathayantu, you tell. So you please analyze the appropriateness of one and the inappropriateness of the other. Do that analysis, and then having done the analysis, tell me. Okay, Kathayantu. You see again, Kathayantu here is in Bahuvachana. Technically, he is only telling two guys, but there is a Bahuvachana here. So we'll take, maybe Krishna is also giving respect to all these elders and all that, like that we take it. Iti uktavan, so he told. Now, thank you very much, sir, for reading for us. So let us give some crowdsource answer for this. Yudhishthirah kim kartum sankalpitavan asit?
Yudhishthira
Perfect. That's why I said highlight these things. Okay. So that is the question. Okay.
When now my MENIC, that learning with the keywords, mnemonic.
I didn't get you, Bhagini.
You said now that there is some technique learning with the keywords. Keep remembering with the keywords.
What is it called?
It is called mnemonic.
Mnemonic. Mnemonic is a word that, MN like that. Yeah, mnemonic. Okay, mnemonic technique. Oh, good, Bhagini. Thanks for that. Yeah. So, Dharmarajasya bhitihi ka.
यागस्य मध्ये विघ्नो भवति इति धर्मराजस्य
मध्ये
भीतिः।
विघ्नो भवति इति तस्य भीतिः. करेक्ट. यागस्य विघ्नः भवति इति धर्मराजस्य भीतिः आसीत्. स्त्रीलिङ्गपद भीतिः इति. अस्तु. That's why ka. You may ask why ka. Okay. Kim is what comes to all Dravidian brains. Okay. Everything is Kim for us.
Yes, yes.
Because, okay guys, for those from north, this may sound funny. In South India, all languages only have lingatva only for purusha, and few objects like cow, etc. have linga.
Yes,
okay.
yes.
For all
Yes.
everything else, napumsaka linga
Yes.
is used in South, like table, chair, computer, a dog,
Yes.
etc. They are all like napumsaka for us. Okay. So
Yes, what is the fear?
so we struggle. We from the south struggle with North Indian languages like Hindi, etc., and also with
Okay.
Sanskritam for that reason, because you guys have very precise linga attached to the nouns. It is nothing to do with the objects linga. For you, it is the nouns linga. Same thing in Sanskritam, and even North Indians struggle because the linga that they know is not the linga in Sanskritam. So they have to also learn, but they are at least aware of the concept. So that's why they know this ka, kim, kaha business, and South Indians struggle with that. Okay. All right. So mantralochanartham kau agatau. It's enough to say Uddavaha, Balaramaha cha, but you can add their adjectives. It will be nice. Jnana Vruddhaha Uddavaha, Agrajaha Balaramascha, Agatau. So that one. Okay.
Mantralochanam akrutam. Akurvan.
I didn't get it.
ज्ञानवृद्धः उद्धवः अग्रजो बलरामश्च त्रयो मिलित्वा मन्त्रालोचनम् अकुर्वन्.
No, there is no there is no question related to what they did afterwards. The question is limited to kau agatau. That's all. So we have to stop at agatau, saying they too came. After that, they did the mantralochana is obvious, but that is there in the katha, but it's not in the question. Okay. So just to stop with respect to what is needed by the question. Okay. Devendraha kim suchitavan? Vadham karaniyam iti suchitavan. Correct. Okay. Devendraha dushta shishupalस्य वधः करणीयः इति सूचितवान्. So it's वधः करणीयः इति सूचितवान्.
We can also say vadam suchitavan, no? Second vibhakti also we can say, no?
You can say.
Vadam suchitavan.
Yeah. Vadaha karaniyah iti athva vadham. Vadhammo vadhamvo we have to see. We have to see. Okay. Okay. Last question. Kau na upekshaniyau.
Vyadhi.
Vyadihi vardamanaha shatruhu cha na upekshaniyau. It's telling us here. So that is that. Vyadihi vardamanaha shatruhu cha na upekshaniyau. Beautiful. Okay. So
adjective Mahodaya, here it is adjective.
What?
Vardamanaha
is a Shanach.
Visheshanam, no?
No. Good question. Good question. Stand by. Just listen. See, just we are learning Shatrantas, no? Kurvan, like that. Similarly, for Atmanepadi dhatus, so far all the dhatus we have seen, they are all Parasmai forms we are seeing, okay, in the Shatrantas. So there is some alternate form called Shanach Anta, Shanach actually. Shanach Antas, Shanajantas, like that. So they are used for Atmanepadi dhatus. So Vardhate, if you remember, Vardhate is a Atmanepadi dhatu form, right? So for that, to put it in the present continuous mode, we use mana suffix. So Vardhamanaha, okay? Vardhamanaha, Vardhamanau, Vardhamanaha, something like that will come. Manaha, Manau, Manaha. It is a Shanach Kridanta, which is having a similar sense as Shatra, in that it forces the dhatu into present continuous mode. So increasing. Okay. Vyadihi, disease, and increasing enemy. That means the growing enemy, like that. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Good question. Okay, so
Sir, and
we
this
have a few
Kim
minutes.
Karomi iti Sandehah Utpannah. So there
So,
actually
Upekshaniya.
verb Adhyaharanam we have to do. Kim
No,
Karomi
see,
iti.
Kim Karomi is one sentence there under quotes. Okay, quote
Okay.
under quote. So Kim Karo. So see, this much is actually the quote. Ekatra devakaryam anyatra bandhukaryam asti or staha. You can say asti is enough here. Asti. Kim aham kim karomi is the question. Quote end. Iti sandeha utpannaha. So doubt emerged. Okay. So actually Sri Krishna chintitavan full stop you can take almost. Athva Sri Krishna evam chintitavan full stop. Ekatra devakaryam anyatra bandhukaryam kim karomi iti tasya manasi sandeha utpannaha. To expand it. Okay.
Mahodaya, in the story,
Utpannaha asit. No, it is a. It is.
Asit.
Yeah, utpannaha
Kridanta
asit.
it is, no?
Kridanta.
Mahodaya, is there a difference?
Udapadat sandeha udapadat. Some such form is there. Okay. What
Difference, is there a difference between tasmat and ataha? Is there a difference between tasmat and ataha in the same story?
Not really. Not in some context. Tasmat means from that. Ataha means therefore. So in some context, both kind of mean the same. Na? In English, it's that way. Okay.
Because in the story, ataha saha Sri Krishna Mahodaya.
Tasmat also can be used.
Tasmat another place.
Tasya karanat. Tasmat. Okay. Ataha therefore. Ataha fits better there.
Sir, Upekshaniya is Shatru Pratyaya, no?
Upekshaniya, correct. Upekshaniya, Karaniyam, yes. Then Aniyar. It's not Shatru, Aniyar. Aniyar. Should be done. Should not be done. So now Upekshaniya, Dvivachana of the Aniyar. Okay. Dvivachana of Aniyar. Upekshaniya, Upekshaniya, Upekshaniyaha. In Pratama Vibhakti, Eka, Dvi and Bahuvachana. Okay. Slowly, no. We see, we learn this Tavatu, Kta, etc. in Pratama Vibhakti, Ekavachana, and just we think that is enough. No. Slowly we have to start being able to do the Antakriya. Oh, it's Akaranta, Halanta, that thing, this thing. I have to decline like this and start knowing that it is actually a Shatranta in Saptami. This one is a Tavatu in Panchami. Like this, we have to start strengthening our capability. Okay. Okay.
So I have one question.
Sir.
Regarding a sentence in third para. Tasmat dharmrajah tesham sahayyena yagam karoti. In this sentence, tesham sahayyena appears to be incorrect, keeping principle of Visheshan Visheshya.
No. Of there. No. Sir. No. Tesham is in Sambandha Shashti. Okay. Of there with help. So of there with help. That is the sense there. Okay. Avarugala Sahayadinda. See, what is your mother tongue, sir?
Hindi, sir.
Hindi, sorry. So उन्होंने का सहाय से
उनकी सहायता
उनके सहाय से like that उन्होंने is tesham sahai se is sahayena. So this is in Karanam. So this tesham is the please others please stand by. Others please stand by. Just let me complete because I am hearing you my own voice through your reflection. So of there with the help. So their help with their help is the overall meaning. Okay.
Okay sir. Okay, thank you.
हिंदी में भी ऐसा ही प्रयोग होता है. आप प्रयत्न कीजिए, ऐसा ही निकलता है. ठीक है?
जी.
हाँ. Okay. So we'll move forward if there are no further questions. We'll move forward, but time is of short nature. 4 o'clock हो गया. तो
Sir, can we take up Laukika Nyayaha? We'll finish up soon.
No, just let me read this much English and then we'll continue with this here. Okay. So Anvaya Rachana. So here they have given some English preface. So let us read this thing. In this section, we have for you selected verses from Bhagavad Gita. So it's a beautiful thing. We are having some simple, nice, select verses from Bhagavad Gita, generally from first chapter only. Okay. The verses are taken from the first chapter of Gita, not in a continuous mode. So don't match this number with Bhagavad Gita number. It is in some select set only. As it is not possible to include all the verses of this chapter in these 10 lessons, only a few shlokas have been extracted. In some places, the latter half of one shloka is combined with the former half of the next. They do this so that the Anvaya Rachana is helped. Sometimes the Kriya Pada will be across the verses and all that. So they have done that.
Continuity.
For continuity of translation, they have done that. The blind Dhritarashtra wanted to see the happenings in the Mahabharata war field. To fulfill his desire, Sanjaya was blessed by Vyasa with a divine vision that enabled him to see the happenings on the war field while sitting in the camp with Dhritarashtra. In fact, Sri Krishna was the one who had granted him, if you remember the background. This is the story of a story that forms the background for Bhagavad.
Vyasa Bhagavan. Vyasa Bhagavan gave that.
No, what happens, Bhagini, there are different versions of Mahabharata understandings also.
Okay.
It may be so, but from what I remember, it was Sri Krishna, but it's okay. It can be Vyasa also, not a problem. This is the story that forms the background for Bhagavad Gita. The armies of Kauravas and Pandavas are in array, that means in an arrangement, on the battlefield. Arjuna wants to see the warriors in the enemy's army. Krishna stops the chariot between the two armies. Senayor madhye ratham stapayam Arjuna, something like that goes. No? So for Arjuna to take a good look at those whom he has to fight. Okay, Arjuna is terrified, not a good choice of word. Not terrified. I contest that. Is petrified actually. It's a different kind of fear. He is not having any terror with respect to them. He is more worried that he has to kill these people. That is his fear, not the fear of them. So terrified at the sight of his kith and kin there, and drops his bow, saying he would not fight. There begins the teaching of Krishna. That's why we have to be very careful what we put in English, guys. Okay, don't put what you call meaningless translations. Somewhere here it has slipped. Arjuna is worried that he has to kill these people at the sight of his kith and kin. It would have been a better translation, or Statparya for the sense. There begins the teaching of Krishna. Krishna elaborates on what is dharma and what is adharma and proceeds to explain many things to Arjuna and us using the whole Bhagavad Gita episode. Vyasa Muni and Krishna explained to us, or Krishna's words through the pen of Vyasa or Ganesha comes to us. We begin with the second shloka of the first chapter here. Okay. In reply to Dhritarashtra's query, what did my son and Pandu's sons do in the battlefield? So, Mamakaha Pandavascha Kimakurvan Sanjaya, like that he starts. No? There is a lot of commentary on just Mamakaha Pandava itself in Bhagavad Gita. He's so selfish like that. But anyway, so Sanjaya says, and it starts off. So let us read the nice verse and let us call it a day today. Drishtva tu Pandavanikam vyudham Duryodanastada Acharyamupvasangamya Raja Vachanam Abravit. Drishtva tu Pandavanikam vyudham Duryodanastada Acharyamupvasangamya Raja Vachanam Abravit. Lot of you here would have seen this earlier and understood the Tatparya. It will be nice to do it in the Sanskrit Bharati Paddhati of how to do the analysis. We will do that. It's quite detailed for the first one like this. They have gone about in more detail. So we will follow that on next Saturday at 11 o'clock. We will start with this Anvaya Krama. Okay. Come in good numbers. Enjoy the Sanskritam. Have a nice weekend. Balance. There is some nice things going.
Bhagavad Gita, first chapter. Arjuna Vishada Yoga.
Arjuna Vishada Yoga.
Yoga.
Yes, correct. That's the one. From that, this is the first chapter, but not the first verse. After the first second verse, they say that here, second sloka. Any other question? Somebody else had a question?
Sir, Mahodaya, that Kavya Katha Shisubalavadam, is it compiled short form by
Yeah. It is not the original, Bhagini. Oh, it is not the original. It is what you call a super abridged Katha form for our help. That's all. Okay. So some Samskrita Bharati expert has created that and put it in the book. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
So, I mean, the idea is that eventually one gets incited to start trying to understand from the origin. That is the idea. Okay. So have a nice day. Good weekend. So let us do a prayer together for this weekend. Sahana vavatu sahanau bhunaktu sahaviryam karavavahai tejasvinavadhetamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om shanti 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 astu. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you and good day.